Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this JOKARI cable stripping knife. So if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I did want to disclose that I did purchase this with my own money. This says number 27 Sakura and the number on it is 10270. So let's pull this out. So there's no instructions in the box. It does have instructions on the back side. You adjust the blade height with the red knob here, and then you place it on the wire and strip it. You can hold this like this and you can place your thumb here and press up on it. So this is rubberized and this is all hard plastic. Like that. And you can see the little blade in here. Now when we rotate this, it will actually rotate the blade and raise it also. So you want to take your cable like this. We'll press up and we'll clamp it in right next to the blade. And we can see the blade height in here is going to cut into the conductors. So I'll rotate this around until it's below the height of the conductors. Actually need to raise that up just a little bit. I think right about there will do. So now I can place this on here where I want to cut. And then I just rotate it around. Pull it off, and we've cut all the way around the cable. Like so. So this is, I think that's a 4-gauge cable. This is a 1/0. So this has a little bit thicker insulation on it. It looks like it still might cut through. So let's try this. It's just a little bit left, which is fine by me. I don't want to cut into the conductors. So we got a nice cut there. So I didn't see any specs online as to the size of this. If I push this out all the way, it opens about 1 inch. So you can strip some pretty large size cable with this. So that's the JOKARI cable stripping knife. If you're working on DC systems where you're using these larger cables, I think this can be a great tool to help get the sheathing off of here. Traditionally I use just a utility knife, and it's hard not to nick the conductors when you do that. This is going to limit the depth and make it much easier, and you get just a very nice, clean, even cut all the way around. As with any stripper, you want to test it before you use it in actual production so you get an idea of how far you need to cut, but I think that worked very well. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.